Now we will start with our discussion with respect to experiment number 4. See, this is experiment number 4, and this experiment is related to selecting simple random sample with replacement, simple random sample without replacement, stratified systematic sampling with the help of pseudo random number. So first we need to understand what is meant by the word pseudo. Pseudo means we can generate a random numbers with the help of computer or with the help of calculator or with the help of Python programming or R programming. Suppose anything that we are drawing a random sample with the help of machine, so that is called as pseudo random number. And this experiment deals with selecting simple random sample with replacement, without replacement, stratified, systematic with the help of pseudo random number. See, we will start with our discussion with experiment number 1. So that is problem number 1. So in the problem number 1, we have given a sampling frame. So there are 15 population units and the value are also given with respect to the population unit. So since there are 15 population units and the value of y are also given, we have to draw a random sample of size 5. See, this is, we have to draw a random sample of size 5 from the population by using simple random sample with replacement and simple random sample without replacement. So how to draw the simple random sample with the help of sampling frame? So just what is the aim in this case? The aim is to generate a random sample of size 5 from the population of size 15 with the help of SRSWR and SRSWOR. So what are the statistical tools? The statistical tools are SRSWR and SRSWOR. What are the required formulae? The required formulae will be SRSWR and SRSWOR. So what is the data source? The data source is provided in the practical sheet. See, this is my practical sheet, and in the practical sheet, this is the data set that we have provided. So this is the data set that we have provided. See, this is the data set. And with the help of this data set, we have to draw a simple random sample with replacement and without replacement. So how to do this? So what are the procedure? So the procedure includes, so in this given sampling frame, the population size is 15. So we have to draw a random sample of size 5. So how to do that? So we will do with the help of rand between function. So that means we are using the Excel sheet, and with the help of Excel sheet, we have to draw a random sample. See, this is the Excel sheet, and with the help of Excel sheet, I have drawn, these are the different sample size of 5. So from 15, I have to draw this as sample of 5. So with the help of SRSWR and SRSWOR, we have to draw a random sample. So simple random sample with replacement and without replacement. These are the two methodologies. And which function that we have to use? We have to use the function called as rand between function. And we know how to use this function. In rand between function, we have to give a lower value as 1 and the upper value as 15. So why 1 and 15? Because our population starts from, the population unit starts from 1 and up to 15. So therefore we have to give the values as 1 and 15, and we have to obtain the values. See, this is, I have used a rand between function, and with the help of rand between function, I have obtained, these are the sample values. So if you see this first one, so I got the values as 17411. So in this case, 1 is repeated, this is 1 is repeated. So that means this is the case of SRS with replacement. That means this is SRSWR. And if you check the second one, so if you see this value, so this value is related with, so this is the case in which SRSWOR without replacement. So that means no value is repeated in the second sample. See, the values are 11, 2, 14, 3 and 10. But in the third case, again, when I take a sample of size 5 by using rand between function, so I got the values. See, this is 74449. So I have got 4 in 3 times. So this is also possible. So all the values, so in some cases I will be getting 4 5 times. So that is also possible in with replacement case. So this is all about the simple random sample with and without replacement as far as the question 1 is concerned. What we have to do in this case? We have to use rand between function, use the Excel sheet. In Excel sheet equal to rand between, in bracket put the value 1 comma 15 and enter. So we are getting the value 1 and drag this up to 5 because we need the 5 random samples. So this is all about experiment number 1. In the next video, we will discuss stratified sampling method. This is the example related with stratified sampling method, and this is the example related with systematic sampling method. In next 2 videos, one video is related with stratified, the another one is related with systematic. Till then, goodbye.